Hello and welcome. In today's video I am going to be unboxing the Boult Audio Airbass Propods. Now it says extra bass, so these are meant for people who really like that bass, they really like that extra bass. So these are the Propods. It's been signed by Vicky Kaushal. Okay, what else have we got over here? It says 24-hour playtime, wake up and pair, which is useful, Google voice command, noise cancellation, call and music controls. This works on the Bluetooth 5.0 standard, auto pair. Both earbuds can be masters, okay? Stereo calling and mic. Alright, so these are all the features of the Boult Audio Airbass Propods. These are wireless earphones. Let's just go ahead and unbox it. So it says over here, don't accept if the seal is broken. So the two places we need to cut it. And once that's out, we just pull up on the box. Okay, there you go. That's what you get in the box. So right as soon as you open it, you're greeted with this red Boult Audio packaging thing, which contains your user manual. Okay, apart from the user manual, you also get a sticker, which is your warranty sticker. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, let's put this off to the side. It says accessories are in this box. So this is a nicely labeled little red box that says accessories. Just up. Oops, my bad, I think I opened it wrongly. So this is a little tiny, so it's a USB type C charger. Okay, so this has a USB type C charger. To the side, and these are the Propods themselves. Okay, the Propods. So this is the case, the carrying case, the charging case that the Propods come in. Again, very compact, very tiny, can easily fit into your pocket. It has the USB type C charger at the back, the charging port for your USB type C charger. Let's actually go ahead and open this and figure out how to open it. Oh, okay, here we go. So you just open it like that. There you go. So as soon as you open it, so it's pretty neat, it just opens like that. As soon as you open it, you'll see that that's the charging indicator at the bottom, and your Propods will come out. And also you get some extra ear tips which they've given. There are a few extra ear tips inside this. So there you have it, folks. That was everything that you get in the box of the Boult Audio Airbass Propods. You get, as I said, you get the actual earbuds themselves, you get a cable, you get your charging case, and in the accessories you get some extra tips, ear tips, and you get, of course, the documents. So we hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.